Why is Earth the only known planet with life? A complete journey through our solar system. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, if there are billions of planets in the universe, why do we know life only on Earth? This question has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and ordinary people for centuries. Every night we see countless stars, and around many of those stars are planets. Some are small and rocky like Earth, while others are giant balls of gas many times larger than our planet. So why is Earth special? Today, we are going on a journey across the entire solar system. We will visit every planet one by one. Discover what makes each world unique, learn how each planet was formed, explore its atmosphere, temperature, moons, and interesting facts, and finally understand why Earth is currently the only planet known to support life. Let's begin our journey at the center of the solar system. The Sun. Although the Sun is not a planet, everything in our solar system exists because of it. The Sun contains more than 99% of all the mass in the solar system. It is an enormous sphere of extremely hot hydrogen and helium where nuclear fusion takes place every second. During fusion, hydrogen atoms combine to form helium, releasing enormous amounts of energy as heat and light. Without the Sun there would be no daylight, no weather, no oceans, no plants, and no life on Earth. The surface temperature of the Sun is about 5,500 degrees Celsius, while its core reaches nearly 15 million degrees Celsius. Now let's travel to the closest planet. Mercury, the smallest planet. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and the smallest planet in our solar system. Because it has almost no atmosphere, temperatures change dramatically. During the day, the surface can reach about 430 degrees Celsius, but at night it drops to around -180 degrees Celsius. Mercury has no weather, no rain, no rivers, and no breathable air. 1 year on Mercury lasts only 88 Earth days. Its surface is covered with ancient craters created by asteroid impacts billions of years ago. Scientists have discovered ice hidden inside permanently shadowed craters near Mercury's poles, but this does not mean the planet can support life. Venus, Earth's dangerous twin. Venus is often called Earth's twin because it is nearly the same size. However, it is one of the most hostile places in the solar system. Its atmosphere is almost entirely carbon dioxide, creating a powerful greenhouse effect. The average surface temperature is around 465 degrees Celsius, making Venus even hotter than Mercury despite being farther from the Sun. The pressure at the surface is about 90 times greater than Earth's atmospheric pressure. Clouds on Venus are made of sulfuric acid. A spacecraft can survive only a short time after landing because of the crushing pressure and extreme heat. Earth, our home. Earth is the third planet from the Sun. It has abundant liquid water covering about 71% of its surface. Its atmosphere contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other gases in the right proportions to support life. Earth also has a strong magnetic field that protects the planet from harmful solar radiation. The ozone layer blocks much of the Sun's dangerous ultraviolet radiation. Earth is the only planet where scientists have confirmed the existence of life, from microscopic bacteria to giant whales, forests, insects, birds, and billions of human beings. Mars, the red planet. Mars is one of the most studied planets because scientists think it may once have had rivers, lakes, and perhaps even simple microbial life. Its reddish color comes from iron oxide, commonly known as rust. Mars has the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, which is about 3 times taller than Mount Everest. It also contains Valles Marineris, one of the largest canyon systems ever discovered. Mars has thin air composed mostly of carbon dioxide and is much colder than Earth, with average temperatures around -63 degrees Celsius. Robotic missions have found evidence that liquid water existed on Mars billions of years ago. Scientists continue searching for signs of ancient microbial life. Jupiter, the giant king. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. More than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it by volume. It is mostly made of hydrogen and helium. Jupiter has no solid surface where humans could stand. One of its most famous features is the Great Red Spot, a giant storm that has been raging for centuries. Jupiter has dozens of moons, including Europa, where scientists believe a vast ocean may exist beneath the icy surface. Europa is considered one of the most promising places to search for extraterrestrial life. Saturn, the ringed giant. Saturn is famous for its spectacular rings made mostly of ice and rock. Like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant with no solid surface. It is less dense than water, meaning it would float if there were an ocean large enough. One of Saturn's moons, Enceladus, shoots enormous jets of water into space. Scientists have found evidence that Enceladus has a salty ocean beneath its icy crust, making it another exciting place in the search for life. Uranus, the sideways planet. Uranus rotates almost completely on its side. Scientists think a massive collision long ago may have knocked it over. Its atmosphere contains hydrogen, helium, and methane. Methane gives Uranus its beautiful blue-green color. Temperatures can fall below -220 degrees Celsius, making it one of the coldest planets in the solar system. Neptune, the windy ice giant. Neptune is the 8th and most distant major planet from the Sun. It has the strongest winds ever measured in the solar system, reaching speeds greater than 2,000 kilometers per hour. Like Uranus, Neptune is an ice giant with methane in its atmosphere. Despite receiving very little sunlight, Neptune still produces internal heat. Its largest moon, Triton, likely originated elsewhere before being captured by Neptune's gravity. Why is Earth the only known planet with life? Earth combines many conditions that appear to be essential for life as we know it. Liquid water. A stable atmosphere. moderate temperatures, a protective magnetic field, active geology that recycles nutrients. The right distance from the Sun, often called the habitable zone. Scientists have discovered thousands of planets around other stars, known as exoplanets. Some are located in their stars' habitable zones, where liquid water might exist. However, no confirmed evidence has yet shown that life exists beyond Earth. That does not mean life is impossible elsewhere. It simply means that, with today's scientific evidence, Earth remains the only world where life has been confirmed. Perhaps one day, future discoveries will change our understanding of the universe. Until then, Earth remains our extraordinary home, a rare and precious planet that deserves to be protected.